माननीय प्राचार्य महोदया सिस्टर जेराल्ड, काउंसलर सिस्टर जया, प्रधानाध्यापिका सिस्टर जेस्सी, कॉन्वेंट की सभी धर्म बहनें, हमारे सहकर्मी शिक्षक शिक्षिकाएं एवं प्यारे बच्चों, आज होली क्रॉस स्थापना दिवस पर आप सभी को हार्दिक बधाइयां एवं शुभकामनाएं। आज का यह शुभ दिन विगत वर्षों में हम सब बड़े ही हर्ष और उल्लास के साथ मनाते आए हैं, किंतु वैश्विक महामारी कोरोना के कारण इस वर्ष हम सभी इस उत्सव का आनंद लेने से वंचित रह गए हैं। पर आज के दिन वो पुरानी यादें ताजा हो गईं जब हम सब मिलजुल कर उत्सव में सहभागी होते थे। लेकिन हमें विश्वास है कि इन विषम परिस्थितियों को पार कर फिर से हम सब सामान्य जीवन जिएंगे, इन्हीं उम्मीदों के साथ कि कर लेते हैं बर्दाश्त हर दर्द इसी आस के साथ, कर लेते हैं बर्दाश्त हर दर्द इसी आस के साथ कि खुदा नूर भी बरसाता है आजमाइशों के बाद। इस कठिन दौर में हम सबको इस बात का ध्यान रखना है कि यथासंभव हम एक दूसरे के काम आ सकें और इंसानियत का परिचय दें, क्योंकि देखकर दर्द किसी का जो आह निकल जाती है, देखकर दर्द किसी का जो आह निकल जाती है, बस इतनी सी बात आदमी को इंसान बनाती है। जरूरी नहीं कि हर समय लबों पर खुदा का नाम आए, जरूरी नहीं कि हर समय लबों पर खुदा का नाम आए। वो लम्हा भी इबादत का होता है जब इंसान किसी के काम आए। इसी के साथ आज के ऑनलाइन सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत करते हैं, जिसमें सबसे पहले कार्यक्रम का औपचारिक शुभारंभ दीप प्रज्वलन के साथ, इसके बाद प्रेयर डांस और प्रेयर गीत की प्रस्तुति है, फिर प्रताप सर का संबोधन है, तत्पश्चात छोटे एवं बड़े बच्चों की प्रस्तुतियां होंगी और अंत में शिक्षक गण की प्रस्तुतियां हैं। अतः अब मैं दर्शकों और प्रस्तुतियों से अपने आप को अलग करता हूं, तो प्रस्तुत है ऑनलाइन सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम।
None of us lives for oneself, and no one dies for oneself. Respected Sister Lucina, the manager of Holy Cross Institute, Sister Gerald, the principal, Sister Jessie, the headmistress, Sister Jaya, all the sisters of Holy Cross community, and my dear colleagues, wishing you a joyous feast. We never thought of celebrating this feast in this way, but the pandemic situation has given us this opportunity to celebrate this feast online, where whole school can participate. Living the life of God with a motto, the need of the time is the will of God, which has been motivating the sisters of the Holy Cross throughout their lives. We all of us are proud to be the part of this Holy Cross family, where we have been learning to understand the vision of the Holy Cross congregation. Dear sisters, you have been helping us to work as a team You have been working with keen awareness of social conditions of the time. You have been working with determined involvement in the cause of alleviating human needs and distress. Above all, it is you who commit yourselves to the need of the time. We salute the various kinds of educational and philanthropic activities of yours throughout India and the whole world. Today, we have a deep respect and true gratitude for answering God's call in this way. In answering God's call in such a complete way, through the vows of religious life and through the daily living of those promises, you have been witnessing how the Word of God can be lived to its fullest in joy and hope. I wish to express my thanks for your charity and faith, the contribution of your holiness and service to this institution. May God sustain you all in His peace and give you strength for the work remaining. Whether we live or die, we are the Lord's. This is the call of all of us. But again, the world sees how this self-offering is made real in a most dramatic way in a consecrated life. Today, dear friends, we rejoice in the love of God that is reflected and made alive in the love of our sisters of Holy Cross. Thank you, sisters, for your yes to God's call years ago and your daily yes to the bridegroom of your soul and to God's church. God has called you and made you a sign of selfless and tender love. May God, who is our light and our spouse, sustain us in His joy and hope forever. My prayerful best wishes to all our sisters. Thank you and happy feast to everybody.
పూత కన్నా మంచి పోలికేది నాకు తట్టలేదు గాని అమ్మో ఈ లవ్ అనేది బబ్లు గమ్ము అంటుకున్నదంటే పోదు నమ్ము ముందు నుంచి అందరన్న మాటే గాని మళ్ళీ అంటున్నానే అమ్ము ఇది చెప్పకుండా వచ్చే తుమ్ము ప్రేమ నా పలివు నన్ను నమ్ము ఎటగానే ఎదురు చూపుకి తగినట్టుగా నువ్వు బదులు చెబితివే అరే దేవుడా లోపటే పిల్లడాంట దగ్గరై నన్ను చేరదీస్తివే బుట్ట బొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే అట్ట బొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే బుట్ట బొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే అట్ట బొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే మల్టీప్లెక్స్ లోని ఆడియన్స్ లాగా మౌనంకున్నా గాని అమ్ము లోన దండనగా జరిగిందే నమ్ము దిమ్మ తిరిగి నాదే మైండ్ సిమ్ము
खुशी फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से जाने वतन सा जान बुझे हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू मजबूर हुई जब दिल की दुआ तो हमने दवा से काम लिया वो नब्ज नहीं फिर थमने दी जिस नब्ज को हमने थाम लिया बीमार है जो किस धर्म का है हमसे न कभी यह भेद हुआ सरहद पे जो वर्दी खाकी थी अब उसका रंग सफेद हुआ तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
डॉक्टर्स भगवान का रूप होते हैं, पर आज ऐसा लगता है कि कोरोना वायरस से लड़ने की इस चुनौती की घड़ियों में भगवान ने ही डॉक्टर्स का रूप ले लिया।
Magic is believing in yourself. If you can make that happen, you can make anything happen. Respectable and honorable Sister Lucina, the manager Holy Cross, Principal Sister Gerald, Sister Jessie, Sister Jaya, and the whole sisters community, I, Ananta Poddar, a student of 11C, on behalf of every HCCN, would like to wish you a heartiest and a very happy Holy Cross Day. Holy Cross Convent Senior Secondary School is a Christian minority school managed by the Sisters of Mercy of Holy Cross, Hazaribagh. Holy Cross congregation was founded in Switzerland in 1856 by Reverend Father Theodosius Florentini, a great visionary of the time, together with Maria Teresa Scherer as the co-founderess. Drawn from the life and teachings of Christ, with keen awareness of the social conditions of the time, their determined involvement in the cause of alleviating human need and distress gave birth to the congregation of religious women who commit themselves to the motto, the need of the time. The head of our institution, Honorable Principal Sister Gerald, in her dynamic leadership and strong belief, has made all possible efforts and indeed has succeeded to kindle in the students the fire of patriotism, to form them into men and women of character and moral values who will definitely script history and who in turn will display their strength in building together a better world. Even during the pandemic, at the time of extreme crisis, Sister Gerald, through her optimistic approach and firm determination, has helped all the members of the Holy Cross Convent English medium school family to keep their spirits high and march ahead with determination to enlighten the society. Our institution is indeed blessed to have Sister Lucina as the manager. We are eternally grateful to Sister Lucina for her selfless and compassionate attitude towards each member of the Holy Cross family. Our sincere gratitude is towards Sister Gerald for her faith in her excellent team of pedagogues. We are grateful to Sister Jessie for strengthening our spirits by her vibes of positivity. Our heartfelt thanks to Sister Jaya Michael for her words of counsel at times of need. It is a privilege to be a part of this august institution from whose portals thousands of students' destinies have been molded and shaped. We are eagerly waiting for our schools to reopen again and let those charming days come back. I would like to end my speech by saying some beautiful lines. Big gang of friends, colorful uniforms, silly fights, friendly teachers, group photos, combined studies, group discussions on anything and nothing, remarkable marks, justified mistakes, lovable journeys. Life was just a heaven. Missing you a lot, my school. Thank you.
जो तू कह देना और कोई कह सकता नहीं, तू जिद्दां पंगे लेना और कोई ले सकता नहीं, तेनू छड्ड भी सकदी हां, रखिया कर मेरा घर में, तू कल्ला ही सोना नहीं, ज्यादा ना बनिया कर वे, तू कल्ला ही सोना नहीं, ज्यादा ना बनिया कर वे, थोड़ी देर च करदा हां हर फोन ते कहना है कि प्रधानमंत्री जिन्ना बिजी तू रहना है, बिजी तू रहना है, मैनू मिठा बहुत पसंद है, कद केक ले एक दिल भी पर दे तू कल्ला ही सोना नहीं ज्यादा ना बनया कर वे तू कल्ला ही सोना नहीं ज्यादा ना बनया
जिन्हें मेरा दिल लुटिया जिन्हें मैनू मार सुटिया लक पतला बलौरी ओदे नैन नैन कन्नी चुम के उलारे ओदे लैन लैन गल्ला करदी शायद तो मिठियां जिन्हें मेरा दिल लुटिया जिन्हें मैनू मार सुटिया जिन्हें मेरा दिल लुटिया
বড় লোকের বেটি লো লম্বা লম্বা চুল এমন মাথায় বেঁধে দেব লাল চাহে शकीरा को बुलवा लो कंपटीशन फुल करवा लो मारू ठुमके मारू ठुमके मारू ठुमके आज फराट से
Feast Day, sister.
Happy Feast Day, sisters.
Happy Feast Day, sister.
Good morning, sister. Wish you all happy feast day.
Good morning, sisters. Wish you all a very happy feast day.
Happy feast day to all the respected sisters.
Wishing you a very happy feast day to all our respected sisters.
I am very grateful to you for boosting our spirits during tough times and guiding us always to rise our sights and see the possibilities. Thank you, sister. A very happy feast day to you and all holy sisters.
Happy Feast Day, sisters.
Happy Feast, sisters. Have a nice day.
Happy Feast Day, sister.
Wish you a very happy feast day, sister.
Yes, sisters. Wish you very happy feast day. Thank you.
On behalf of entire staff, I would like to wish all the honorable sisters and the entire Holy Cross family a very happy feast day.
उम्मीद है आज का यह कार्यक्रम आप सभी को बहुत पसंद आया होगा। इसी उम्मीद के साथ आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आप सब स्वस्थ रहें, ईश्वर से यही कामना है।